Are you watching the video, children? Are you able to understand? Yes. Once recall what did I teach you day before yesterday? Skeletal and muscular system. Skeletal system is made up of bones. How many bones are there in our body? There are 206 bones in our body. Okay now. So what is the main function of the skeleton? It gives shape and support to our body and also protects the internal organs of the body. What are the internal organs? Brain, yes, heart and lungs. Okay, who protects the brain? Yes, here skull is there. This is the skull, no children. Skull protects the brain. What is there inside the skull? Brain. Okay, brain is very important organ of the body, no? Yes, it controls all other actions. Okay, children. So it is responsible for thinking, writing, reading, learning. Okay, na? And you can do maths, no children, logical thinking. Okay, all are possible because of the brain. Okay, children. Brain is responsible for memory, thoughts, learning, thinking. Okay, na? And solve puzzles. All are possible because of the brain. So brain is protected by skull. Okay, and here, okay, rib cage is present. Okay, here rib cage is present. Yes, rib cage protect the heart and lungs. So when we breathe, movement. When we breathe, see ribs are there, no? These are all the ribs. Thin and curved bones are called ribs. Okay, this is the rib cage. Okay, this is the rib cage, children. Okay, in between, in the center of the rib cage, heart is present. Either side of the heart, two lungs are present. Is it clear? So rib cage protects heart and lungs. So how are the ribs? Thin and curved. Okay na? So this is the rib cage. You too have rib cage, children. So your rib cage. Okay, your rib cage protects the heart and lungs. Is it clear? So backbone protects the backbone. This is the backbone mark from the skull to west. Here one long rod-like structure is present, that is called backbone. Okay, the backbone protects the spinal cord. Inside the backbone, one thin rod-like structure is present, that is called backbone. No? So that is called spinal cord. Backbone protects the spinal cord. It gives support to our body. Okay na? So backbone gives support to our body. Backbone protects the spinal cord. It is present inside the backbone. So skull protects the brain. Okay, rib cage protects the heart and lungs. Okay, children. So skeletal system is made up of bones and joints. No, children. Joint means what? Two separate bones meet at one place. See here, this is upper arm bone. This is the lower arm bone. Two bones meet here. No, children. Yes, this is called a joint. Number of joints are there. Come on, move your head. Yes, up and down in all directions, sideways. Because of the joint is present in the neck, we can move our shoulder. Come on, move your shoulder. Move your shoulder. Yes, because of the joint is present here. That's why we can move our hands in all directions. Front to back, back to front. Okay na? And come on, hold your elbow. Yes, that's why we can. Yes, here one joint is present. That's why we can bend our elbow like this. Wrist, one joint is present in between fingers. Joints are present. So skeleton is made up of bones and joints. Without joints, we cannot eat also. For example, here joint is not there. How can you eat food? Is it possible? Is it possible? Okay. Where is it? Okay. So for example, I am giving. Okay. Yes. Okay. For example, without joint here, I am keeping this in his hand. How can he eat? Come on, try to eat without joint. Without joint, how can we bend the elbow? Is it possible? It is not possible. How can you eat without joint? Is it possible? Is it possible? Come on, try to eat. Try to eat. Try to eat. Try to eat. Bend. 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 If you want to bend, joint is yes. Here one joint is there. No. Yes, we can bend because of the joint. Okay, children. It is not possible to eat. To write also without a joint we can't write also. Okay na? So we can't eat. We can't bend. joints are very very important for us. Joints enable us to move and to bend. Is it clear? Okay, so joints, bones are there. Okay, skeletal system is made up of bones and joints. Muscular system is made up of muscles. All these fleshy parts are called muscles. These fleshy parts are attached to the hard parts. Okay, now so fleshy parts are attached to the hard parts, means muscles are attached to the bone. Okay, okay children, so bones cannot move by themselves, no, they need something to move, no, so muscles attached to the bone, then only we can lift heavy bags, we can run, we can walk, we can kick the football. All these possible because of the bones and muscles work together with coordination. Is it clear? Now we are going to, yes, now I am going to explain about the circulatory system. Circulatory system means circulatory system. What is the main organ is present in the circulatory system? Yes, here. Okay, here one organ is present. What is the symbol of love? What is the symbol of love? Yes, you are right. What is the symbol of love? Heart. What is there here? Which organ is present here? Heart is present here. So circulatory system. Now I am going to explain about the circulatory system. Okay, circulatory system is made up of heart, blood and blood vessels. Okay children, so circulatory system comprises of blood, heart, blood and blood vessels. Is it clear? Circulatory system, skeletal system is made up of bones, muscular system is made up of muscles, like that. Circulatory system is comprised of heart, blood and blood vessels. Heart, it is located in the chest cavity, no children, it is located in the chest cavity on the middle left side of your chest. Middle left side of your chest. What is the size of heart? Your own fist. Your own fist. Okay children, heart. Okay, can you hear your heart sound? Okay, come on, I am keeping my ear on his heart. I am listening his heart sound. Heart sound. What is that sound? Lub dub, lub dub, lub dub. Come on, can you hear my heart sound? Come on.
Yes.
What is the sound of heart? Lub dub, lub dub. You too try to that. Okay children. The sound of heart is lub dub, lub dub, lub dub. Okay, you too try to listen. Okay children. Okay, keep your ear left side of the body. Okay, on the chest cavity. Okay children. So circulatory system is made up of heart, blood and blood vessels. Heart is very important organ of the human body. Heart is very vital. Heart is very vital part of the human body. Why? Because heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body through the blood vessels. For example, we store water in the room, no children. We store water in the water tank, no children. From the water tank, water enter all the rooms, kitchen, bathroom, okay na, and outside, okay children, in all rooms, no children. Yes, kitchen, okay, and bathroom, and yes, bedrooms, like that. So how can the water flow from the tank to your room? Through the tubes. Through the tubes. Is it clear? We store water in the water tank. From the water tank, water coming through the tubes or pipes, like that. From the heart, blood pumps. Blood, yes, heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body through the tube-like structures called blood vessels. Is it clear? So heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body through the blood vessels. These are all the blood vessels. Okay children, what is the main function of the heart? Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body through the blood vessels. Heart has 4 chambers. Heart has 4 chambers. Okay, heart has 4 chambers. Okay, the upper chambers are called auricles and lower chambers are called ventricles. Lower chambers are called ventricles. Upper chambers, 2 chambers are. It is like a double-storied house. Double-storied house means upper 2 rooms, lower 2 rooms. Upper 2 rooms are called auricles. Lower 2 rooms are called ventricles. In between rooms, one walls are present. Door-like structures are present. Those are called Your blood is made up of liquid and solids, amma. So the liquid part called plasma. The liquid part is called plasma that contain proteins and yes, proteins, water and salts. Is it clear? Your blood is made up of liquids and solids. The liquid part called plasma that is made of salts, water and proteins. The solid part of your blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets, amma. Okay, but it is very important to learn. Blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets, amma. Okay, I will show the picture. Okay, now so yes. Okay, this is the blood picture. See here, why is the blood? See, this is the red color liquid. This is the blood. Blood contains white blood cells. See, these are all the white blood cells. Okay, now these are all the red blood cells and these are all the platelets. Is it clear, children? Yes, blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets, amma. Okay, blood is red color fluid flowing inside the blood vessels. Okay, children. So the yes, see here. It is clear? Is it clear, amma? White blood cells, amma, play an important role. See here. Yes, white blood cells. These are all the white blood cells, no? White blood cells also called policemen of the body. White blood cells play an important role in the body as they destroy the germs and help in fighting infections, children. Yes. And the platelets, see, these are all the platelets, no? Platelets help in clotting of blood whenever there is a blood flow due to some injury. Okay, children, red blood cells. So blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets, no? Yes, is it clear? Blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Red blood cells are very important, amma. They live 120 days, that lifespan, but you have to learn next classes. Red blood cells carry the oxygen. Red blood cell contain the hemoglobin, children. Red blood cells, your blood is red in color. Your blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin. Hemoglobin gives red color to the blood. Hemoglobin gives red color to the blood. Okay, na? That's why our blood is red. Okay, so hemoglobin gives red color to the blood. Hemoglobin carries oxygen. Okay, so red blood cells carry oxygen. Okay, children, red blood cells carry oxygenated blood. Okay, to all cells. Okay, and white blood cells fight against the diseases, fight against the infections. Okay, so white blood cells destroy the germs and help in fighting infections. White blood cells destroy the germs and help in fighting infections. Next one, what? Platelets also present in our blood. Okay, if any injuries, blood is flowing to children. So platelets help in clotting of blood whenever there is a blood flow due to some injury. Is it clear, ma? Red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Red blood cells carry oxygen. White blood cells destroy the germs and help to fight infections. And platelets help to clot the blood. It is very important to clot the blood during injuries, during accidents. Is it clear? What is the red color liquid present in our body? Blood. Okay, blood. Okay, is it clear? How many liters of blood in your body? Ask your mom. 3 or 4. Healthy person's body contains 4 liters of blood. Okay, children, blood is very important to our body. Blood only transport all the food materials and oxygen to each and cell of the body. Is it clear? Our body is made up of millions of cells. No, children, each cell needs food and oxygen. That's why, okay, each cell needs food and oxygen. Who supplies the food and oxygen to each and every cell of the body? Yes, blood. Okay, blood transport to all materials and along with oxygen, okay, to each and every cell of the body. Is it clear? Now blood vessels. So see here, from the heart, blood vessels are arise from the heart to each and every part of the body. So blood vessels, see here, these are all the blood vessels, amma. Okay, blood vessels are the large capillaries. Which are the pathways? Which are the pathways for the blood to deliver nutrients to the cells? Okay, now blood vessels are two types: arteries and veins. Blood vessels means tubes. Those carry the blood from the heart to all parts of the body, from the heart all parts of the body to heart to lungs and brain. Is it clear? So always blood transport to each and every cell of the body. No children, who transport the blood, who carry the blood to each and every part of the body? Yes, you are right. Blood vessels. Blood vessels are two types: arteries and veins. Arteries carry pure blood. Arteries carry oxygenated blood, that is pure blood. Okay, arteries carry pure blood from heart to all parts of the body. Veins carry deoxygenated blood from parts to heart, means towards the heart. Is it clear? So blood vessels are two types: arteries and veins. What are the two blood vessels? Arteries, veins. Arteries carry pure blood, that is oxygenated blood from the heart to all parts of the body. Veins carry deoxygenated blood. The blood do not contains oxygen. The blood that contains carbon dioxide. So veins carry deoxygenated blood towards the heart. Okay, veins carry deoxygenated blood towards the heart. Okay, and arteries carry pure blood from the heart to parts. Is it clear? Okay, so red color parts are called arteries, blue color parts are called veins. Arteries carry pure blood from the heart, from the heart to all parts of the body. Veins carry deoxygenated blood from the body parts to heart. Is it clear? Yes. So circulatory system is also known as the transport system. Mean transport of the transport system. Okay, now. So yes. Okay, listen. Yes. Once let us revise what we have discussed today. What is the name of that system? Circulatory system. Circulatory system comprises of three components. What are they? Tell me. Heart, blood vessels. Heart, blood vessels form circulatory system. Is it clear? These are all the three components present in the circulatory system. Okay, circulatory system is made up of mainly heart. What is the function of heart? Heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Heart pumps oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. Who carries the blood? Yes, blood vessels. Blood vessels are the tubes that carry oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. Okay, children. Heart pumps the blood. Heart pumps pure blood, oxygenated blood to all parts of the body through blood vessels. Is it clear? Heart is very vital organ of the human body. Everyone knows. The symbol of heart, the symbol of love is heart. Is it clear, children? Heart has four chambers. Upper chambers are called auricles. Lower chambers are called ventricle. In between chambers, doorway structures are present. Those are called valves. Okay, children? Yes. Now blood is a liquid part. Okay, blood contains red blood cells, platelets, and white blood cells. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin. They carry oxygenated blood. Okay, white blood cells fight infections. Okay, white blood cells destroy the germs and fight infections, and platelets help to clot the blood during injuries or accidents. Okay, children, blood is red in color because of the hemoglobin. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin. Hemoglobin carries oxygen to all parts of the body. Is it clear? Blood vessels. Blood vessels are the tubes. Those carry water or blood. So liquids, fluid the respiratory system. We have to watch this video 2 more time for better understanding, children. Okay, I am playing one video for you.
The heart. The heart is the central organ for pumping the blood throughout the body. Heart is made up of strong cardiac muscles. Heart pumps liquid blood, a tissue which transports nutrients, gases, waste, etc. along with it. The right upper atrium receives deoxygenated blood from whole body, which is pumped into right ventricle below, and it sends the blood to lungs for oxygenation via pulmonary artery. After oxygenation, blood travels through pulmonary vein and is received in upper left chamber, that is left atrium, which pumps it into left ventricle below. Then it is pumped into aorta, which is source many arteries which carries oxygenated blood to different parts of body. Arteries get divided into very narrow blood capillaries where exchange of substances takes place. Capillaries forms a web-like network to reach maximum cells. Capillaries join together to form veins. Isn't it a sophisticated system?
Okay, children, bye. Take care. Have a good day.